guys, so I'm bringing you guys another Skull Island Reign of Kong construction update. So this is where the main gate is, and this is a screen. This is actually a picture taken on the screen from when it's soft opened, and then you're getting a better look of the animatronic. The head of this animatronic is the size of a car, and that's a pretty big thing. And here you're getting a better look at the side view of what the side looks like. The animatronic has scars from the Vastasaurus Rex battle. But I'm going to show you a video of like a tour from the queue, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Only these things were gigantic, 10 to 12 feet long at least. There's a combination of strength, terror, into even the brain of the soul. Take the cat rating to all just for him, man. But one of these Roadhouse gives these terrorists warnings out. Capri claims it's not the most nightmarish creature she spied on her flight over the island. We were flying low.
You son of God!